Friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. Before we begin, we want to let you know that Yadnya Investment Academy has come up with its first book, which is a collection of 108 questions and answers on mutual funds and SIP. The book is available on Flipkart, Infibeam, etc. and the link to buy the same is mentioned in the description of this video. So now let's move on with our topic. In our earlier video, we had seen top 5 term insurance plans, and in this video, we're going to talk about top family floater health insurance plans. In our series on health insurance, we had seen that your base health insurance is called as indemnity based or Mediclaim plan, which is of 3 types: individual, family floater and group insurance. Individual plans cover a single individual, family floater look at a family as a single unit, and group insurance plan covers a group of people like employees of the same organization or credit card holders of a same bank, etc. Your indemnity based or Mediclaim plans cover hospitalization charges, surgery cost, physician fees, lab charges, pre and post hospitalization charges with a certain limit, etc. And in this video, we're going to talk specifically about top family floater plans. For a small young family where the husband is 30 years old, wife 28 years old, son 3 years old, and a daughter 1 year old, a family floater health insurance plan of 5 lakh rupees seems sufficient for now. The best family floater health insurance plans as of today are Religare NCB Super Premium, Max Bupa Health Companion, and Aditya Birla Active Health Enhance. The premiums are far very less in case of PSU insurers, and so for comparison purpose we have taken a plan here from New India Assurance Floater Mediclaim. But when it comes to easy accessibility, lesser formalities, more number of medical benefits and facilities, the private players score over the PSU insurers. Let us now compare all these 4 plans on various parameters. The first parameter is daycare treatment. All the treatments that take less than a day due to medical advancements now, but would have otherwise consumed a day, are covered here. All the 3 plans, Religare, Max Bupa and Aditya Birla, cover such expenses. In case of New India Assurance Floater Mediclaim, prior approval for other than 96 listed in the plan is required. Next parameter, hospitalization at home. Due to unavailability of bed in the hospital or due to patient's condition, such expenses are completely covered by Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans. These expenses are not covered by New India Assurance plan, and up to 50,000 rupees of expenses are covered by Religare plan. As far as the pre-hospitalization and post-hospitalization charges go, Aditya Birla plan covers expenses within 60 days of prior hospitalization and 180 days after hospitalization, while the other plans cover expenses within 30 days prior to hospitalization and 60 days after hospitalization. Moving on to the type of rooms. All type of rooms except suite and above are covered by Max Bupa Health Companion. In case of Aditya Birla and Religare plans, up to single private room is covered, and in case of New India Assurance, up to 5,000 rupees per day of expenses are covered. Moving on to the copay parameter, which is one of the most important parameters where you would want the insurer to bear all the expenses. In certain cases, the insurer would want you to bear some part of the expenses. All the expenses are covered by the insurer in case of Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans. In case of Religare, 20% of the expenses have to be borne by the customer if his age is more than 60 years. In case of New India Assurance, 20% of the expenses are to be borne by the customer if the treatment is taken outside the coverage area or if the claim amount is more than the sum insured. In case of copay parameter, Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans score over others. Moving on to alternate medication. Expenses up to sum insured on Ayurvedic Unani medicines taken from only government institutes or hospitals is covered in case of Max Bupa. Such expenses are not covered by Aditya Birla plan. Up to 1.25 lakh rupees of expenses on Ayurvedic, Unani, etc. sort of medicines taken from government hospitals is covered by New India Assurance, and up to only 20,000 rupees of expenses on Ayurvedic, Unani, etc. sort of medicines taken from government or accredited institutes is covered by Religare plan. Moving on to network of hospitals for cashless treatment, Religare has 4,900 hospitals, Max Bupa has 3,474 hospitals, Aditya Birla has 1,905 hospitals, and New India Assurance has 1,517 hospitals in their network. Moving on to bonus on no claim. increment in cover by 1 lakh rupees for each year of no claim till a cumulative of 5 lakh rupees, and no reduction in case of claim is available in case of Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans. Incremental claim of 3 lakh rupees for each year of no claims till a cumulative of 7.5 lakh rupees in 5 years is available in case of Religare plan, but is reduced by 3 lakh rupees in case of claim, and no such facility is available in case of New India Assurance. So in case of bonus on no claim, Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans score over others. Moving on to the next parameter, restoration of cover. Now, if your sum insured plus incremental cover is exhausted, sum insured is again reinstated if an unrelated illness occurs in case of Aditya Birla plan. Sum insured is reinstated once a year in case of unrelated illness in case of Religare and Max Bupa plans. Such facility is not available in case of New India Assurance plan. A waiting period of 3 years is applicable for claims against a pre-existing disease which has been declared while taking the policy. This duration is 3 years in case of Max Bupa and Aditya Birla plans, and the duration is 4 years in case of New India Assurance and Religare plans. Maternity benefits are not available with any of these plans, except that in case of Aditya Birla, you could go for an optional cover. Aditya Birla plan also provides assistance for medical emergency outside India. This facility is not available with any of the other plans. Ambulance charges are also covered in case of Religare up to 2,000 rupees, in case of Max Bupa up to 3,000 rupees, and in case of Aditya Birla up to 5,000 rupees per hospitalization. In case of New India Assurance, up to 5,000 rupees of ambulance charges can be claimed per policy period. Health checkup once a year in designated hospital is covered under Religare and Aditya Birla plans, and once a year on renewal you could go for health checkup in case of Max Bupa except the first year. No such facility is available in case of New India Assurance. Aditya Birla plan additionally gives you access to health assessment reports, and it also provides you wellness related facilities which helps you stay fit. Premium for the small family for a cover of 5 lakh rupees each year would be 15,572 in case of Religare plan, 15,782 in case of Max Bupa, 16,247 in case of Aditya Birla, and 7,775 in case of New India Assurance plan. All these insurers are market leading claim payers. Friends, remember that the premium in case of family floater health insurance plan depends upon the age of the eldest family member. So in case you have elderly parents, you should go for individual health plans for them. That way it would work out to be cheaper, and you as a family could also continue with the same kind of family floater you're going for. So friends, this was all on family floater health insurance plans. Hope the video would help you choose the right option for you. Thanks for watching this video. Watch this space for more such topics. Until then, happy investing.